Looking for a tool to take a can like this and remove the top like this? We'll show you how to assemble and use this tool designed by FM Tuve. If you own a 3D printer, click the link in the description to download the STL files. Don't have a printer? Click the link in the description to find out how to get one of these custom printed. Once you have the parts in front of you, the first thing you'll need is the can cutter body. Next, you'll need the blade advancing knob. You'll also need the blade housing cover plate, the blade advancing tray, which will hold our cutting blade, 3 3mm bolts and 5 nuts, and a box cutter with a 9mm blade. Finally, a multi-bit screwdriver. To start, slip a nut in one end of the blade advancing knob, then the bolt in the other. Tighten it as tight as possible so it pushes the blade tray into cutting position. We're ready to install the blade into the blade tray. First, we use pliers to snap off a piece of blade from the box cutter at the line, then press it into the tray like so. Next, position the blade tray into the tray channel. Slip a nut into position behind the blade tray as seen here. Now slip 2 nuts into the cover plate, then position the plate over the blade tray. Hold the plate and nuts in place, then insert the first bolt and tighten it as shown. Repeat with the second bolt and only tighten the plate until it's secure. After adding a nut, twist the blade advancing knob into the housing. To begin cutting, insert the can, tighten the knob, then rotate the can as shown. Gloves are advisable. Make sure to grip the cutter by the housing. When the tension is right, you should feel the blade cutting into the can. When the tension loosens, release the can and remove the top as shown. If you need to remove the bottom, insert the can into the cutter, then push an unopened can into the top of it, and repeat the cutting process. After a few rotations, the bottom of the can should come free as well. Finally, remove the shelled can from the whole can. If you have any questions about the cutter or this process, make sure to leave them in the comments. We hope you've enjoyed this video, and thanks for watching.